Hot anything.
That's it. That's all you gotta do.
Drop in some season. Yeah, well hot. That's how we're going to use it to cook some chicken we should try earlier. Yeah, so that's how the next grill we're going to make it on a Sunday. Yeah, the red, the green, that's why you pepper is gold. The white up in USA flag. Water in this big chef. Uncover it, you know. That's how you do it. We're gonna have a picture of the end product. Alright, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a wonderful day.